Hi guys, so welcome to the second part of Python dictionaries, and here we will be accessing dictionaries. First off, let us remember that dictionaries, all right, dict for short here, have key value pairs, right? They have key value pairs. What that means is for you to access the value inside a dictionary, you have to make use of the key. So, what is a key and what is a value? Again, let me just document this. So we ask what is a key and what is a value. A value. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to dissect a dictionary here, right? So we have created profile one, we have created profile, so we're going to look at it. So let's look at profile here, right? So let me print that to string. So over here we have this. Now you can see the first guy here, first name is the key, and it has a corresponding value over here. Last name is a key, and it has a corresponding value over here. Right now, for you to access the value of a dictionary, the first thing you're going to do is that you would use a syntax. So here is the expression. You first of all, write out the variable carrying the dictionary. Then you put a square bracket. Then inside, you are going to put in the key. So that's what we have here. And you can see once we do this and we run this, it is going to show us the corresponding value, right? So apparently that's how that works, right? And so that's basically it. You can also try to find out if a value exists, or you can access a value by finding out if it exists by using something called the in operator. The in operator is we're going to be talking about it when we talk about conditional statements, Boolean operations, and stuff like that, right? But the in operator basically is a keyword that you can use to find out if something, to find out if a key exists inside a dictionary. So for instance, so let me just say this is accessing a dict using a key, right? So we know that this is a key. So we could basically say, just so you know, I could say, do we have first underscore name in, and do we have that in profile? And so it's going to tell you it's true. So like this is confirming a key exists, a key exists inside a dictionary. I'll use a dict for short. So that's one. So you can use that to find out in case it's such a huge one. Of course, we're going to talk about a functionality of a dictionary that can make that easy, right? But basically, if you do not use this type of way to access a dictionary, right, and you just choose to find out if it exists, maybe I might decide to say profile, and I assume that inside profile I have location, right? And I try to access that, then I'm going to have a key error, which is going to tell me, well, this does not exist. So that's just what you're going to get. So here is accessing a key that doesn't exist, right? So that's also one way. So of course we're going to in the next video we're going to talk about dictionary methods, right? But here we're basically looking at accessing dictionaries. Here we know that dictionaries have key value pairs, so we're going to put a comma here, key and value pairs. So what is a key and what is a value? The key is basically the first, you see this? The first element here, which is separated by a colon, and the value follows afterwards, right? And if you want to access the value using a key, you have to use the first element here, and it's going to churn out the value, right? Sometimes you can also use, like, you can use to confirm, you can use an in operator, where here you're just going to ask is something like a key inside a dictionary, right? And in case you use a wrong key, you're going to have a key error. So that's basically what you get when you are trying to access the elements or the keys or the key value pairs inside a dictionary. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to set this up. I'm going to call this dictionary methods. We're going to look at dictionary methods. So that's in the next video tutorial, right? And this is one of my shortest videos. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you think the other videos are long or you want them short and stuff like that. But I think I tried to, say one word at a time, so you could basically follow it, one object at a time, right? So like, subscribe, and share, so folks who are trying to start out learning Python could have a starting point.